Do you want to speak English fluently, but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll share simple and powerful tips to help you learn English faster and with more confidence. Hi, and welcome. Learning English doesn't need to be boring or stressful. With the right approach, you can make it fun, easy, and part of your daily life. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Listen to English every single day. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or even music in English. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your brain is learning the sounds and rhythm of the language. Tip number 2. Speak without fear. Don't wait until you are perfect because perfection never comes. Try speaking with friends, practice with language apps, or even speak to yourself in English. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. Tip number 3. Read and write in English. Start with short articles, children's books, or even social media posts. Then, try writing simple sentences every day. Reading and writing together will build your vocabulary and grammar. Tip number 4. Use technology. There are many free apps and websites where you can practice grammar, vocabulary, and speaking. Take advantage of them. And tip number 5. Be consistent. Learning English is like exercising. 10 minutes every day is more powerful than 1 hour once a week. Small steps every day will give you big results. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake brings you closer to fluency. Don't give up, keep going, and you'll surprise yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. And tell me in the comments what's your favorite way to practice English.